To generate QR codes from your spreadsheet data, open the Extensions menu and launch All QR Code Generator and Creator. Once the interface loads, you can use your existing spreadsheet values to build personalized QR code content. In the Data tab, clear the default web address and use the dynamic merge fields to insert the ID column. Switch to the Text tab and enable the human-readable text option to display the generated data beneath your QR code. You can add extra text lines and use merge fields to include additional row-specific information, like the first and last name. Use the formatting controls to center the text and adjust the font size so it fits perfectly within your intended design. You can also adjust the vertical offset to increase the spacing between the QR code and the readable text lines. To further customize the appearance, add another line of text, select a different merge field like the company name, and adjust its size. Change the text color independently for each line to make specific information stand out before proceeding to the next step. In the generation settings, choose the target column where you want the generated QR code images to be saved. Set the starting and ending rows to define your batch, skipping the header row, and start the bulk generation process. The generator processes the selected spreadsheet entries together, creating customized QR codes for each row based on your configuration. The resulting images are inserted directly into the specified target column, and the spreadsheet automatically adjusts the row heights. Once the batch generation is complete, the custom